Hello beautiful glam girls, welcome back to my channel. Glam fam everyone, if you're new, welcome. My name is Gabriellaglamour, or as the title says, the channel says, Gabriellaglamour. Don't mind the makeup, I don't know. Today I was feeling extra, I guess. I filmed my Storytime Sunday video, which if you're new, is a series I do every Sunday, and you guessed it, it's story time. So I do makeup and I tell you guys a story, and this week's story is all about the creepiest guy I ever dated. So if you're interested, definitely check out the Storytime Sunday playlist and subscribe to the channel so you're notified, ring the bell, all that good stuff. Follow me on my socials, my name right here. And also for Storytime Sunday, if you want to send me your story so I can read it, so we can all be entertained and partake, email me gabriellaglamour@yahoo.com. I want to know your story. For today's video, we're gonna be talking about Sephora. So you guys know I love Sephora, and they're having their sale right now. It started early for Rouge, which obviously I'm Rouge, my god. So I got my package today. It took a little bit longer than usual, just with everything going on. So I wanted to do a haul for you guys and show you everything I picked up. And yeah, let's get into it. We got quite a bit of stuff. So here's the box. I'm excited. Box of goodies. The pup is here. This is Kal-El. Hey, what a good boy. What a sweet boy. This is my 6-month-old Morky Kal-El. He's such a good boy. So he's gonna be just hanging out with me. Okay, so the first thing I have here is this Way Chill Pills Bath Bombs. And I thought this was so cool. This is a jasmine rose scent. You fill the bathtub, you snap it to unwrap it, and then you can use the whole thing if you need. But obviously you can, I guess, cut them in half. Ooh, it smells good. It smells very bathroomy. I wouldn't say it's the most relaxing, yummy scent, but it smells like it's strong. Maybe in the water it would be a little less strong, but they're really big. I feel like you could get multiple uses out of these, and you can see they look like big pills, so you can snap it in half and use them, you know, twice, or even, you know, make them smaller. So I thought the package was so cute as well, very chic with the frosted packaging, and would look nice like out in the bathroom. And I love taking baths, so I want to try different bath products. If you guys have favorites, leave them in the comments. A lot of the products that I wanted to order for bath time stuff, like different bath gels and stuff like that, they were all sold out. So this was one of the only bath products that was available, so that's why I picked them up. So we'll see how they work. Next bath product is one that I've used before that I really love. This is the L'Occitane shower oil, and this stuff is so amazing, and it's really inexpensive. You get 8.4 fluid ounces. It's only $25, and this product is amazing. If you've never tried it, you have to try it. It's unlike anything you've ever tried before, and it smells delicious. You know when anyone in the house has used this because the almond scent, oh, it's so sweet and almondy and fresh. I absolutely love this product. So it is like an oil. Like when you put it on dry, it feels like an oil, but once it mixes with water, it gets a little bit more sudsy, and it literally becomes like a shower cleanser but oil. I don't know how to describe it. It is fantastic. I will continue to repurchase this because it really leaves your skin feeling silky. You don't have to apply a bunch of lotion after you get out of the shower. To go along with it, I also picked up the almond supple skin oil. So it's like the same line of products, the same oil products, and this is a velvety soft skin oil. It's a fruit. It's supposed to help your skin get firmer, be hydrated for 48 hours, the glass version of the shower gel. And I'm so excited to try this because, like I said, I love this. So I'm really interested. Spray bottle formula, but ooh, sprays quite a bit. Ooh, it smells so good. It smells just like the body cleanser. Oh my god, it feels so nice. This is exactly what I wanted. My skin has been very dry. You know, it's cold as heck still, which I'm surprised. It's about to be May and it's still so cold. Oh my god, it smells so good. Look how moisturized, guys. This is gonna be my new favorite thing. Like after using this in the shower, putting this on top, Dream team. Dream team. I'm so excited for this body oil. Next skincare product is this Bobbi Brown Radiance Boost Mask. This is the Superfine Walnut Grain and Oil Exfoliating Mask. So I really like the Summer Fridays masks, specifically the R&R, which is like the rose one, because it is like exfoliating, but it has like oils in it. So after you kind of tissue it off or wipe it off or even just let it drain off in the shower. So even once you let it drain off in the shower, it leaves like this oily like mask still on your skin that you can like pat in. And I really like those, so I wanted to give other similar products a try just to see how they compare. So Bobbi Brown is expensive, so this one, I mean, the Summer Fridays ones are just as expensive. I think these are only a couple dollars more, which is crazy. But you can see it has like the similar packaging. So I was curious to see if this would be better than one of these Summer Fridays ones, or just what I thought. Just wanted to try it, honestly. It was just curiosity. So it says that it's an instant boost for glowing skin. It's an exfoliating mask formulated with superfine walnut grains and orange oil to energize the skin and slough off dull surface cells. So it's supposed to help your skin look smoother, even toned, and radiant. You guys know anything with citrus, lemon, orange, all that kind of stuff is going to help with dark spots and brighten the skin tone and all that kind of stuff. Everybody's loving vitamin C right now, so you know the orange in there is gonna give you that vitamin C boost. So yeah, I'm excited to try this. Let's see what it looks like. So definitely has a very similar feel, look, packaging, everything to like the Summer Fridays, which maybe this came first. I'm not sure which one came first, but even like the texture of it reminds me a lot of like the pumpkin mask from Summer Fridays. You can see how it has a very soft, creamy texture, and then it has really tiny little grains and then like some bigger flecks in there of exfoliating beads and stuff like that, and it seems to be getting thicker as I rub it in. Smells absolutely delicious. Smells orangey and fresh. So I'm really excited to try this. I'm definitely gonna try this once I remove all my makeup, because I'm really curious if it's, you know, if it's worth the coin, because I like the Summer Fridays masks. But you know, if there's something better that's the same price, why not try something different? The next skincare product is this Fresh Rose Deep Hydration Oil Infused Serum. So I was so curious about this product. This is a new product that they just launched, and it came broken, of course. The top is broken. Awesome. That really sucks. Well, nothing's coming out, so not too broken. That's good. But it does ruin the packaging. It's so pretty. So I was so curious about this product when I saw that they were launching this on their Instagram. It's a lightweight treatment that strikes the perfect balance between water and oil to deliver deep hydration and nourishment for skin that looks dewy, soft, and plump. It has a rose water and damask rose extract to soothe and hydrate, and then the oil phase is a blend of skin-friendly oils: rose flower, rose hip, squalene, camelina. And you have to shake it before you apply it, and you can see the separation of like the water and oil in there. And I just thought that was so freaking cool. I was really curious about the product. I love Fresh, first of all. They have sent me a lot of products and I love all of them, and I was using Fresh even before they sent me their products. I love the rose toner, the rose mask, the rose sleeping mask. So I love the rose collection from Fresh. I love the toner, the sleeping mask, the moisture, like everything. Like I love the rose collection, so I had to get this immediately when I saw it. I also love the glass packaging. I'm going to mix it together. It's very thick too. Like it seems like it would be watery, but it's actually like a serum consistency. Oh, that feels nice. Doesn't feel oily at all. Actually, it felt like a water-based product. So I really am excited to try this and see how it feels on the skin. And I just love the packaging. It's so pretty. So sad that my cap is broken. Let's see, can I even use this? It still works. Haha. So next we have the Peter Thomas Roth water drenched water drenched hyaluronic cloud hydrating eye gel. So I have tried the hyaluronic cloud moisturizer before and I loved it. I didn't order that just because I have so many other moisturizers. I want to get through them, although I loved it when I did have it. But when I saw that they had an eye cream version, I wanted to try it just because I'm getting older and I'm noticing a little more texture under my eyes, and a little touch of discoloration starting. So I'm like, no, we need to nip that in the bud. So I got this eye gel because I just wanted to see. I don't think this would help with like discoloration or anything, but I definitely was curious on the packaging and the texture, because the cloud hydrating cloud moisturizer really helped with texture. It looks like the same packaging, it's just bigger, the moisturizer. So if you see, the texture is very gel, kind of jelly, sticky kind of consistency. Really nice. I'm really curious to see how this would feel under the eyes, if it helps like the moisturization and the texture, because the moisturizer really makes your skin super smooth. So like I said, curious to see if that would cross over to the eye cream. I also picked up the Fresh Sugar Coconut Lip Balm. I love these. I just picked up the 2 new ones they came out with, was the lemon, or the lime mint, and the watermelon. But then I was like, damn, I should have picked up another coconut because it's limited edition, and I went through my last one so fast. I'm obsessed with these, especially the coconut one. Best coconut skincare product I've ever smelled. It really smells like coconut. And I find this one to be extremely moisturizing on the lips more than the other scents. I just love this. I am a true through and through coconut gal. I might even order some more just to have a backstock because it's limited, and I'm gonna be so sad when this runs out. The next product, I saw this last minute, just from looking through reviews and just looking, because I wanted to try different products and different brands and things that I normally wouldn't go towards, or things that aren't as exciting as like makeup. But I have enough makeup. I want to invest in more hair care, skin care, things like that. So I picked up this Don't Despair strengthening treatment oil by Briogeo, and so cute. So a lot of people said like, this is really cute because of the packaging and it doesn't really work, and then other people were like, it does work and the packaging is cute. It wasn't too expensive, and it's a cute little hair oil. So the packaging is adorable because there are actually little roses floating in there, which, I mean, if you know me, I'm a sucker for it. And yeah, so I'm curious to see. I need some hair oil on my hair right now. Let's try it. Let's see if it smells good. Let's see what it does. I need some. I like that the stopper really doesn't allow too much oil to come out at once. That's a good packaging situation. Ooh, it smells really nice. I wouldn't say it smells oily. I wouldn't say it smells rosy. It smells fruity and clean. Yeah, it smells fruity like hair products, but it doesn't smell rosy. So that's kind of weird. But it's very nice and oily. I would have to look in the mirror to see if I can tell a difference or not. Because my hair is kind of dry right now. I feel like it made a difference. We'll see. I mean, like I said, it's supposed to be a strengthening oil. So definitely something that with time, you notice the difference more. But I definitely see a little bit more shine to the hair. So we'll see. But curious to keep using it. All of the oil went right into my hair. So that's a good sign. It didn't go into my skin. It went into the hair. Smells really fruity and cute, and the packaging, I mean, you could put this on your vanity because that packaging is adorable. The little rose in there. All right, the only exciting makeup product that I got is the NARS Laguna Jumbo Bronzer, the limited edition bronzer that has like half highlight, half bronze in it. So this is the Paradise Found bronzing powder. Why can't I talk? I'm filming too much. So this is what it looks like. It's from their summer collection. Don't mind me. I got all my hair oil all over the box, but this is what it looks like. Let's get into it. So they came out with this summer collection. I mean, I love NARS, one of my favorite brands ever. I just, for some reason, feel like I have so many other products that I don't feel the need to like repurchase things that, even though I love them, from NARS. I don't need them right now. Like, I've always loved Laguna, and like, I just love their products, but right now I just have so many other things in my collection that I haven't reached for anything from NARS. But for some reason, this just, every time they come out with a new collection, I have to buy like one thing. Like when they dropped the Climax mascara, I got it. When they dropped the Studio 54 collection, I got the palette. So like, even though I won't go out and buy a ton of their products, I'm always somehow like end up with one of their new things. I just love NARS. For me, they're just one of the most attainable luxury brands, and I love their formula. I love the packaging. It's just a chic, grown, sexy vibe. I think that's why I love it. It's like, it's a French brand, so hello. Anyway, so this is the top of the packaging. So beautiful. That's one thing, again, I love about their brand, is that they always come out with this fun packaging that still maintains their signature style, but it's something different. Like this beautiful like copper bronze textured packaging is so pretty for the summer. It's gigantic. So this is what the bronzer actually looks like inside. Has all that gold shimmer, so beautiful. It looks like sand. And again, this is just Laguna. Well, it's called Paradise Found, but I believe the color is Laguna, and then it just has like a gold spray. I don't want to touch it because I want to take a video before I use it, but I'm just really excited to try this. Oh, it smells delicious. Oh my god, it smells like suntan oil. Why nobody told me it was scented? Oh my god, it smells like the beach. This is why NARS is my favorite forever. I love NARS. They don't put me on their PR list, that's fine, but I still love y'all. All right, last but not least, I got one of my favorite perfumes ever. I ran out of this in Rome when we were there in December. It was the only perfume I brought with me to Europe, and I literally used every last bit of it while I was there. And I've been dying for a new one. So the perfume is from Givenchy, and this is L'Interdit. A little bit hard to say, but I love this perfume. It smells so freaking good. Okay, that packaging though, excuse me. Ugh, I missed you, baby. I die. This perfume has all the notes that I love, and I did film a perfume video for you guys, so once you watch that you'll understand. But the notes have aldehyde, spices, mandarin orange, peach, bergamot, strawberry, iris violet, narcissus, orange, orris root, jasmine, ylang ylang, lily of the valley, rose, amber, musk, benzoin, velvetier, and tonka bean. Literally all of those are like my favorite scents. Like every perfume I have has either one or a couple of those notes, and this one has all of them. So this just might be my favorite of all time. I'm just saying, like, it smells so sexy. It smells so good. Like, go smell it. Go smell it. Go smell it. Honey, she's a boss. She's sexy. She's feminine. She's a boss bitch. So, L'Interdit means forbidden in French. And it's a delicate floral powdery aroma, but to me it's a little more sexy because you have the amber, the musk. I feel like the sandalwood, you get a little sexy vibe. So this perfume was actually made especially for Audrey Hepburn in 1957. So you want to smell like Audrey, honey? L'Interdit from Givenchy. I'm just saying. That's everything. I also did a full blog post with all of my favorites and recommendations from Sephora as well. So I will link one link for the product specifically in this video. The next one will be my blog post with all the links of all my recommendations. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you in the next one. I love you. Don't forget to stay glam, like this video, subscribe, all that good stuff, and we're in this together. I love you. Stay strong. If you need me, DM me. I got you. I'm here for you. I love you.